want to change the texture to blank, I want to show how to add a local texture so that when you make your changes in your image program and save it, it automatically updates here. Now, once you're done with your composition, you want to upload it for real, actually using the image upload facility here. But for testing, it's actually very convenient to have the item update in your view as you're working on it without having to upload it constantly. I also want to show how to add this as a HUD. So the face that is forward is pointing to the west. You'll see the west is here. So you'll know that this face here is the HUD facing forward. You can always rotate it, but to start off with, when you res a prim, that's facing forward. And to prove it, let's just select that face, and I'll change it to red, and take a copy, and just add it to the HUD, attach to center, and you'll see that it's red. So that worked. I'm going to change this back, and now I want to select the face again, but this time I want to add a local texture. So go to my texture, click on that swatch, take local, and then add, and I will add my happy cow texture I just exported. And I'll make this full bright. Everything's full bright on your HUD when you attach it to the HUD anyway, but just to see it in world, I'm going to attach this to the HUD and see if it updates that way as well. I think it will. And I'll just move that somewhere out of the way. I'll move it over here. Now you'll notice that the texture will update there. I'll turn off full bright so you'll see that there's a difference there. Texture will update there as I update it in my photo app here. See, I have my text. I just want to move that around. How do I do that? Here we go. I'll move it to the top and then resave it. Export, and place that, and it should update here momentarily. So that's how we do that.